Hello and welcome, I'm Dr. Berg. If you're over 60, you know the frustration of stiff, aching joints. But what if I told you that what you eat could make a real difference? The secret is collagen, a protein that acts like the glue holding your joints, cartilage, and tendons together. As we age, our collagen production drops, leading to joint pain and stiffness. By adding collagen-rich foods to your diet, you can help your body repair and maintain these vital tissues. Today, I'll show you 8 foods that can naturally support your joints and boost your mobility. First up is bone broth, a time-tested, nutrient-dense elixir for joint health. For centuries, cultures around the world have relied on bone broth not just for its comforting warmth, but for its remarkable ability to nourish the body from the inside out. Whether sipped on its own or used as a base for hearty meals, bone broth is a staple in traditional diets for good reason. When you simmer bones for hours, you're unlocking a treasure trove of nutrients. The slow cooking process extracts collagen, glucosamine, and chondroitin, 3 powerful compounds that are essential for rebuilding cartilage, lubricating joints, and soothing inflammation. These nutrients are the building blocks your body needs to maintain strong, flexible joints as you age. Notice the gelatinous texture of cooled bone broth? That's a sign of its rich collagen content. Collagen not only supports your joints but also strengthens your gut lining, which plays a key role in controlling inflammation throughout your body. A healthy gut can mean less joint pain and better overall well-being. Making bone broth at home is surprisingly simple. All you need are bones, chicken, beef, or even fish, some fresh vegetables, and a splash of vinegar to help draw out the minerals. Let it simmer gently for 12 to 24 hours. And you'll have a nourishing broth that's packed with flavor and health benefits. Enjoy a warm mug of bone broth daily, or use it as a base for soups, stews, and sauces. It's a delicious way to add extra nutrition to your meals, and it's especially comforting on chilly days or when you're feeling under the weather. While store-bought bone broth is convenient, homemade versions are almost always richer in real collagen and nutrients. Many commercial broths are watered down or lack the gelatinous texture that signals true quality. If you have the time, making your own is well worth the effort. Bone broth is also a fantastic source of minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. These minerals are vital for maintaining strong bones and healthy joints, and they're easily absorbed in the gentle, liquid form of broth. By making bone broth a regular part of your daily or weekly routine, you're giving your body the raw materials it needs to repair, rebuild, and thrive. It's a small habit that can make a big difference in how you feel and move. For anyone serious about joint health, bone broth is a foundational food. It's simple, affordable, and deeply nourishing, perfect for supporting an active, healthy lifestyle at any age. So don't underestimate this traditional remedy. Bone broth is more than just a trend. It's a powerful, effective way to support your joints, your gut, and your overall vitality, one delicious sip at a time. Next, let's talk chicken, specifically the skin and cartilage. Chicken skin is loaded with collagen peptides that support your joints, ligaments, and tendons. Roasting bone-in, skin-on chicken makes the collagen more digestible and flavorful. Eating the skin and even the cartilage at the ends of bones gives you a natural, complete package of joint-building nutrients. After enjoying the meat, use the carcass to make bone broth for even more collagen. Choose pasture-raised or organic chicken for the best nutritional profile. Don't fear the skin, it's a valuable source of the collagen your body craves. Enjoying crispy, roasted chicken with the skin is both delicious and therapeutic for your joints. Now let's dive into the ocean, because the sea is not just a source of delicious flavors, but also a treasure trove of nutrients that can help keep our joints healthy and strong as we age. Fish and seafood are fantastic collagen sources, and they offer a unique type of collagen called marine collagen, which is especially prized for its high bioavailability. This means our bodies can absorb and use it more efficiently than many other types. The skin, bones, and even heads of fish are rich in highly absorbable marine collagen, which supports ligaments, tendons, and bones. When you prepare fish at home, consider using the whole fish, skin, bones, and all, to maximize your intake of these valuable nutrients. Eating fish with the skin on, like crispy salmon, delivers a concentrated dose of collagen. The skin is where much of the marine collagen is found, so don't shy away from enjoying it, especially when it's cooked to a perfect, flavorful crisp. Small fish like sardines and anchovies, eaten whole, provide both collagen and calcium. Because you consume the bones and skin along with the flesh, you're getting a double benefit for your joints and bones in every bite. Fish broths made from heads and bones are traditional nutrient-rich ways to boost joint health. These broths are packed with gelatin, minerals, and amino acids that help cushion and repair your joints, making them a soothing and nourishing addition to your diet. Fatty fish also supply omega-3s, which fight inflammation, a key cause of joint pain. Including fish like mackerel, salmon, and sardines in your meals can help reduce stiffness and keep your joints moving smoothly. Even shrimp shells, when simmered for stock, add joint-supporting compounds. Don't throw them away. Use them to make a flavorful broth that's rich in chondroitin and glucosamine, both known for supporting cartilage health. Don't overlook seafood. Incorporate fish with skin and try making fish stock for a powerful joint boost. Experiment with different recipes, from hearty stews to light broths, to keep your meals interesting and your joints happy. The sea offers some of the most bioavailable collagen for aging joints, making fish and seafood a smart, delicious, and versatile choice for anyone looking to support their mobility and overall well-being as they grow older. Egg whites aren't collagen, but they're packed with proline, an amino acid essential for your body's own collagen production. Think of proline as the bricks your body needs to build strong collagen. Including eggs in your diet, especially the whites, supports your body's internal collagen factory. Whole eggs are great, but adding an extra white to your omelet can boost proline without extra calories. Eggshell membranes are also a source of collagen. Some supplements use them. Eggs are affordable, accessible, and effective for supporting connective tissue. Make eggs a regular part of your diet to keep your joints resilient. The humble egg is a powerful ally for joint health. Citrus fruits, like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits, are vital for collagen synthesis thanks to their high vitamin C content. Vitamin C acts as the spark plug for building strong, stable collagen. Even a mild deficiency can weaken your joints, so regular citrus intake is key. Add lemon juice to water, use citrus in dressings, or enjoy fresh fruit for dessert. Vitamin C is also a potent antioxidant, protecting your joints from inflammation and oxidative stress. Pair collagen-rich foods with citrus to maximize your body's ability to build and maintain healthy joints. Fresh is best. Vitamin C is sensitive to heat and light. Make citrus a daily habit for stronger, pain-free joints. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, are joint superfoods. They're rich in vitamin C and anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that fight inflammation and protect collagen from breakdown. Berries may even help inhibit enzymes that degrade collagen, preserving what you have. Add fresh or frozen berries to oatmeal yogurt or smoothies for an easy nutrient boost. Choose whole berries over sugary, processed products for maximum benefit. A simple berry salad or snack can deliver a triple action effect, building, protecting, and preserving your joints. Berries are delicious, versatile, and essential for anyone looking to keep joints healthy. Make them a regular part of your diet for lasting joint support. Beans and legumes, like lentils, chickpeas, and black beans, are nutritional powerhouses that offer a variety of health benefits. They bring plant-based protein and a key mineral, copper, into your diet. Copper is essential for the final step in collagen formation, which is crucial for maintaining the strength and resilience of your connective tissues. Additionally, beans are an excellent source of dietary fiber, which supports gut health and reduces inflammation, a major driver of joint pain. By incorporating beans into your diet, you can help alleviate joint discomfort and improve overall mobility. Add beans to salads, soups, or stews for a hearty and nutritious meal, or enjoy hummus as a snack to keep you energized throughout the day. Soak dried beans to reduce digestive discomfort and enhance their nutritional value. Start with small portions to allow your body to adjust. Beans are affordable, versatile, and a smart addition to your joint health strategy. They can be easily incorporated into a variety of dishes, rounding out your nutrition by supporting both collagen maturation and a healthy gut. Don't overlook the power of beans for stronger, healthier joints. They are a simple yet effective way to enhance your diet and improve your overall well-being. Embrace the mineral power of beans and legumes for a healthier, more active life. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, Swiss chard, are loaded with vitamin C and chlorophyll, both linked to collagen production. Chlorophyll may help boost procollagen and acts as a cellular protector, reducing oxidative stress. Greens also provide vitamin K and magnesium, supporting bone and joint health. Add greens to smoothies, salads, or sauté them as a side. Mix raw and cooked greens for the best nutrient absorption. Leafy greens are foundational for joint health, offering a blend of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Make them a daily staple to keep your joints strong and flexible. Eating your greens is one of the simplest ways to support lifelong joint health. There you have it, 8 powerful food groups to naturally boost collagen and strengthen your joints. Consistency is key. Make these foods a regular part of your meals for lasting results. Start small. Add lemon water to your morning or make a batch of bone broth this week. Your diet is your best tool for joint health. No expensive supplements required. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more natural health tips, and here's to stronger, pain-free joints.